that the art of sand sculpting dates back to ancient times? It is said that like Parida, the first sculptor like God Sri Ram created a sand sculpture by before 10,000 BC. He went on to craft a beautiful sand sculpture Shiva Linga for goddess Sita. This incredible art form has been passed down through the generations, and today we continue to pay homage to Parida's talent by creating stunning sand sculptures in his honor. Let us remember the roots of this ancient art form and appreciate the skill and dedication. Continue to preserve and promote this form of expression for generations to come.
Hello, what's up people? This is Karemi from Kenya and I have come here to Italy and I have met with a great person called Himanshu from India doing sculpted work, sculpture work with art, and he's creating great things like this, you can see, and support him in any way you can do, man. Himanshu, keep doing what you are doing. God bless you.
Manzu, it's a great artist.
And I can show you a living proof, like for example this henna tattoo, he made it and he's great. I mean, he's so creative and he
He
has
can do
so
so
many
many
ideas.
stuff and sand
He's really
art
good.
and stuff.
Yeah.
It's really
Sand
great.
art
And he
and,
brought his art in Italy. So
Yes,
yeah,
it's amazing. It's amazing, yeah. And
Thank you.
we hope you are going to bring your art to Europe again very soon.
Hi, I'm Toby from Austria. I'm a musician. I met Himanshu here in Italy, in Palermo, and he showed me many of his works. It was sand sculptures, stone sculptures, woodworks. They were very beautiful. I mostly enjoyed the portraits of the faces.
Himanshu Shekhar Parida, a renowned Indian sand sculptor, born in the silver city of Cuttack in the state of Orissa on the 14th of June 1986. Parida has always had a passion for creating art with his hands. From a young age, he showed a natural talent for sculpture and design, which eventually led him to pursue a career in the field of art. Parida is not just limited to sand sculpture. He is also known for his work in mixed media and handicrafts design. His artworks are highly praised for their intricate details and lifelike resemblance to the subjects he depicts. One of his most famous works is the realistic sculpture of Bani Tani relief work, which showcases his attention to detail and craftsmanship. He has also sculpted iconic figures such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Swami Vivekanand, capturing their essence and spirit through his art. Parida art is not just limited to historical figures. He also creates sculptures that shed light on current affairs and social messages. His sand sculptures on Indian tourism, Indian Navy, and various social issues have been well received by audiences across the country. As an eminent artist in India, Parida continues to push the boundaries of his art and create stunning works that capture the imagination of all who see them. His dedication to his craft and his ability to convey powerful messages through his art make him a truly talented and inspiring artist in the world of sand sculpting. Parida is a talented academic artist who has been honing his craft since the age of 10. Starting out by helping his father with sculpture work, he quickly developed a passion for creating art. As he grew older, he also began taking on commissioned work, showcasing his talents and gaining recognition in the art community. After completing his board exams, Parida decided to pursue a Bachelor of Visual Art to further his skills and knowledge in the field. He excelled in his studies and went on to complete his Masters in Visual Art from Bhubaneswar. With his newfound education, he dedicated himself to sand sculpture, creating stunning pieces that captivated audiences wherever they were displayed. Paridasan's sculptures have been exhibited in various states across India, including Kashmir, Delhi, Kerala, Kolkata, Maharashtra, Odisha, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Ladakh, and more. His work has also been featured in international exhibitions in countries such as Italy, Slovenia, Austria, and Nepal. In addition to his sand sculpture work, Parida has also explored handicrafts design under the guidance of the Ministry of Textiles. His unique designs and attention to detail have earned him praise and admiration from all who have seen his work. Parida's dedication to his art and his continuous pursuit of excellence have made him a prominent figure in the art world. His passion for creating beauty through his artwork is evident in every piece he produces, and his talent has gained him a loyal following of admirers and collectors. As he continues to push the boundaries of his creativity, there is no doubt that Parida will leave a lasting legacy in the world of art. Himanshu is a talented artist who has made a name for himself in the world of sand art. His work is not only visually stunning but also carries a powerful message that resonates with viewer. One of his most famous works, the Bani Tani relief work in sand media, is a beautiful representation of the traditional painting style of Rajasthan. However, Himanshu's talent extends far beyond just traditional art forms. He has also created intricate sand sculptures in various locations, such as the iconic face of Mahatma Gandhi in Kargil, Ladakh. This particular piece was created to inspire and encourage the younger generation to follow in the footsteps of the great leader. In addition to his sculptures, Himanshu has also created a number of portraits of iconic figures, such as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Swami Vivekananda and freedom fighter. His work often deals with social issues and he uses his art as a medium to shed light on important topics facing society today. Powered by Doobverse, as Himanshu continues to push the boundaries of sand art, it is clear that his work will continue to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. His ability to blend traditional techniques with modern themes makes him a truly remarkable artist, and one to watch in the world of sand art. Himanshu's training apart is his dedication to reaching out to students who may not have parents or a stable support system. By giving them the opportunity to explore their creativity through sand sculpture, he is not only providing them with a new skill but also a sense of accomplishment and self-worth. It's heartwarming to see how these students are learning valuable lessons and gaining confidence through this unconventional form of education. Himanshu's efforts are truly making a difference in the lives of these young individuals, and we are grateful for his compassion and commitment to their well-being. He highlighted the benefits of tactile learning and sensory experiences that come with working with sand. Parida's insights on the educational benefits of sand sculpture have garnered widespread attention and praise. Many experts in child development have commended his views on integrating creative play into children's learning processes. Educators are now considering implementing sand sculpting activities in schools and early childhood centers. Parents are also encouraged to provide their children with opportunities to explore their creativity through activities like sand sculpture. Parida's expertise in the field of sand art has solidified his status as a leading authority on the subject. His passion for promoting creativity and artistic expression in children has inspired many to follow suit. Parida's dedication to empowering children through hands-on learning experiences has been widely recognized. He continues to advocate for the use of creative tools like sand sculpture as a means of enhancing children's development. Parida's teachings on the value of artistic expression and imagination in children's lives have left a lasting impact on the educational community. Many parents and educators are now re-evaluating their approach to children's learning and considering the benefits of incorporating creative play into their curriculums. Overall, Parida's insights on the educational benefits of sand sculpture have sparked a new wave of interest and enthusiasm in utilizing creative tools for children's development.